The engaged learning strategy I chose is case study. It's lat number 27. Students will receive a real life scenario or case related to one of the course topics. One of the course topics in my course is resolving conflict between teachers and parents. The case study learning assessment technique will be used to devise a plan to resolve a conflict between a parent and a teacher. The case study will be presented in the online format as a learning activity. The real-life case studies will be created and available for students to access in a folder designated with a number. The students will be put into groups of 2 to 3 and assigned a number. That number will correspond to the folder where they will have the case study to work on. After reading and analyzing the case study, a written group response to the questions provided will help the students identify strategies to use as a solution to the scenario. I have provided an example of case study questions. I am considering using something very similar to this where I provide case study questions to prompt their thinking. And that's all. Thank you.